Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Six-Figure Business Review. Are you ready to run a six-figure business? It is about time for you to start an online business in 3 days or less. But most people that start online business fail. They do not use the right approach to setting up their online business and making it success. To create a successful online business, you have to know what works or what does not. It is much together to start and maintain a successful online business than most people think. Here is where my advice for you come in. With my advice, introducing six-figure business. How to start an online business in 30 days or less. Here is just quick preview of what you discover inside. Who needs a step-by-step guide? And does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is how much? If you are going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done and could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this start coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get to coaching program or attend workshop. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.